Good morning, students. As in the previous video of this chapter, we have discussed meaning, definition and characteristics of debentures. Today, we will discuss the types or kinds of debenture. The types or kinds of debenture. Okay. So first of all, first type of debenture is secured or mortgage debenture. Secured or mortgage debenture. These debentures are those debentures which are secured either on particular assets of the company called fixed charge on all the assets. Company in general called a floating charge. Fixed charge denies the company for dealing the mortgage asset, whereas the floating charge does not prevent the company for using the asset. Okay, so these type of debentures are called secured debenture. Means those debentures on which there is full value of asset behind it, and if company fails to pay the amount of debenture, this asset will be sold off and debenture will be paid off. So this is why it is called secured debentures. Now unsecured or NEG debentures. Behind unsecured debentures, as the name shows, that there will not be any type of asset or security behind the debentures. There will not be any type of asset or security behind the debentures. If company fails to pay the debentures, no asset of the company will be utilized in that. So this is less secured. The debentures are less secured. Then registered debenture. In this type of debentures, name and address of the holder of such debenture are recorded in the register of the company called registered debentures. Such debentures are not freely transferable. Means these debentures particularly issued to a specified person, and that person cannot easily transfer these type of share. If that debenture holder wants to transfer these share, he has to go to the registrar of the company, and there is a long process. After that, he can transfer his shares, or he cannot. Bearer debentures are those debentures in which no name of any type of debenture holder are registered. Okay, and these type of debentures are easily transferable. This type of debentures are easily transferable. Next, redeemable debenture. Redeemable debentures are those debentures which will be repaid by the company either in lump sum at the end of the specified period or installment during the lifetime of the company. Most of the debentures are generally of this type. Okay, so this type of debentures are those debentures. Redeemable debentures are those debentures whose amount will be transferred or will be repaid to debenture holder in a specified time. Okay, and this specified time is clearly mentioned in the debenture bond or debenture certificate. Irredeemable or perpetual debenture. Perpetual means continuous. So these type of debenture will not be repaid till the lifetime of the company, and when the company will be dissolved or when the life of the company has come to an end, at that time these debentures will be repaid. Convertible debentures. Convertible debentures are those type of debentures on which company gives an option to the debenture holders to convert their debenture into share in a particular time. If debenture holder want to convert their debenture into share, they can easily convert those shares into equity share under a specified time limit. If that time limit has passed, then it will not be convertible. Now here comes the difference between shares and debentures. As capital versus loan, as I have already mentioned that shareholders are the part of share is the part of company's capital, and debenture is the part of company's loan. Dividend or interest. In share, company pays on share company pays dividend, but on debentures company pays interest. Fluctuating or fixed rate of dividend. In share, basically on equity share, the rate of dividend will not be fixed, but In debenture, the rate of interest will be fixed. In preference share, the rate of dividend is fixed, but in equity share, the rate of dividend is not fixed. Voluntary or compulsory redemption. It is at option of the company to return the amount of shares by buying back its own shares, but in the debentures, it is compulsory to pay back the amount of debentures. Now, priority of repayment of principal in case of winding up. So, in case of winding up, the repayment of the share capital is made after the repayment of debentures. Means debenture has the preferential right. Okay, and in the case of winding up, debentures get payment before the shares. Secured and unsecured. Share is always unsecured, hence they bear more risk, but debentures are usually secured by the asset of the company. Here they bear little risk. Okay. Now, restrictions of issue at discount. Under section 53 of the Companies Act 2013, shares cannot be issued at discount except sweat equity share. Only sweat equity shares can be issued at discount. No other shares can be issued at discount. But there is no such restrictions on debentures. Debentures can be issued at discount and premium or par, all three. Voting rights. Shares or shareholder gets voting right, but debenture holder don't get voting right in any of the decision of the company. So this is it for this video. In the next video, we will discuss the journal entries and numerical questions, and after that, this chapter will be completed. So till then, you all are requested to keep learning, keep studying, and keep focusing on your studies. And if you find any type of doubt and any query, you can ask. We will be there to help you out in all your needs. Till then, bye bye, students.